Good morning, kids. Good morning, kids. These the kids that were in the small house. They were previously in this house, but now I take this house for another group of kids, babies, 3 to 5 day old, newborn, and then I let them stay outside the house, but they are still scared to go to expose to the universe, to the outer environment. They still accumulate here. uh, Hope that after all the food here is empty, they will come out. They will come out to the field like the others. You see how how happy the others are, uh, enjoying their food, eating food. This is the manufactured food prepared here, and the natural food they are over there in the grass, the small garden. Last month there were a lot of rain, nearly every day, and the grass were very green. But recently it started to be the drought, no more rain, so I have to shower the grass every day to keep the sustainability of these green vegetable for our kids here. Okay, you know, still 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 very important, the natural food, especially the green grass vegetable, something like that. And these plants is called sweet vegetable plant tree, and I use the branches of the tree. I put it into the ground and keep the soil wet, and then it start the new leaves here. That means the roots start to to come out in deeper and deeper into the ground, and then it will grow. And the leaves are very delicious. Even some Cambodian people use this as the vegetable in the kitchen as well. But I grow this. I plant with these three for sakes of our chicken and ducks only. Okay, this one you can see the new leaves coming out. That means the root is coming out down into the soil, and it will grow. Okay. Oh look, what are they doing here? Yeah, it's a little bit hot because now it's late morning. It's 8 o'clock, 8:30 already. Now so the sun is shining, and it's a little bit hot. And now they expose themselves to the sunlight. So the sunlight is very important for the universe, especially for the animals. And that's why we have the space here. I uncover. I don't make the roof because I just try to keep this space exposing to the sunlight to get the enough sunlight in order to grow in order that the grasses, the vegetable grow very well. We just give them enough water so they will grow, and then the animal enjoy this. See how peaceful they are. Eh? Happy, yeah? Okay. Hello, good morning, lady. Good morning. How are you? How are you? See? Mm. The water in the tank is not as so delicious as the water on the ground. This is the nature. Okay? It is more tasty. Yeah? Okay, look, they look over there as well. You hear the water tank over there for them, but they prefer the water on the ground. More tasty. Yeah? Okay, and look at the flower. Yeah? This plant, this, this green plant has beautiful flower. It grows by itself. I did not plant it. It is the cell-grown plant in my small garden. And I have to give them enough water in order that those green plants stay sustainable and grow more and more for our animals here. You see, they like they enjoy spending time under the sunlight, sun heat. Oh, you have sunbath. Huh? Okay. Yeah, sunbath. Sunbathing. Okay. Change the position. The gangster has arrived, so you have to change the position, change the location. Oh my God. Okay. Anyway, you still have a lot of room. You still have a lot of room to stay. Eh? Okay. Now I am now under the sunlight. It is hot in the morning right now, 8:30. And okay, if you find that my video is interesting, please like and subscribe in order to get more and more video. And I will try all the best to make more videos and more beautiful, more attractive videos for you. Okay, thank you very much.